Hey everybody, how are you doing today? So do you have this issue with your iPhone or even your Android, but this is specifically for the iPhone? When you fall asleep at night, or say you're playing a game and you set down your phone at the end, the display never goes off. Why is that? What's going on there? Now, of course, if you press the power button on the side, the display will go off. But if you have it on and you just leave it on, for whatever reason, it just doesn't automatically shut off, and you don't know why. This might seem like a really simple question, but all questions are good questions. There are no bad questions, because until you know the answer, you just don't know, right? And everybody's got to know the first time. So this is how you take care of that situation. My girlfriend actually had this issue, and in fact, she bought a case with a cover on it because it was keeping her up at night. But she couldn't figure out where the issue was in the settings. And it is under settings, so you look at the gear, and you press settings. And like I said, it's not intuitively obvious. You would think it would have something to do with display, and it does. So you press display. But you read true tone, night shift, auto lock, raised awake, text size. None of these seem to make any sense. But really what it is, it should be something like auto shut off. But it's not, it's auto lock. That's how they describe it. So she had hers set to never, and that's why her phone never shut off. So I tend to set mine around 2 minutes. So now you go back. Well, here, actually, for our purposes, since we don't want to be here another 2 minutes, we'll set it for 30 seconds. Now, when I go back to the main screen, if I don't touch any buttons for 30 seconds, the display will shut itself off. And as I said before, while we're waiting for the display to shut off, I'll explain. It's okay to ask questions. And it's even okay not to get them on the first try. So if you need to come back here and refer to this later, or refer one of your friends to it, that's fine. There's nothing to be embarrassed by. Because once you know, you know. And you can forget things too. It's okay. You don't have to know everything all the time. And there you see, now the power is shut off. So that's how you take care of the display and the auto lock, as it's called, or auto shut off, as it should be called. And that's the answer to your question. So I hope this helped you and makes your phone experience better, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching.